you doing, Corona Capital? Well, they're patting on the back and saying, chill out, don't work either. Shit, you can put them in the freezer. Crank up the meter. Yeah, I believe you when I say it in the most positive way. I ain't even sure if you can say. I ain't even sure you should say. But he said it's fine. I've been nothing but giving when I got love. I wanna be living. Are you high? Are you high? Are you high? Is your smile all of the time? I ain't sucking my numbers, it just looks like it. Yeah, I know, ain't life a dick. Goddamn, you high? Are 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 you high?
Thank you. What?
Gracias. This is our first time in Mexico, and we feel so privileged to be here in this amazing city. Thank you so fucking much for coming. We're called Bad Sounds. We hope you enjoy our set.
Astrology, nothing that's easy when you're bored. Well, she said I'm picking up some problems with authority. Yeah, okay, I guess maybe it worked out. And then she's like, look, so you've been real bad, but you're golden good. I know you can feel it. There's these feelings that I heard about that light up and we don't know how to do it. Still, you could play tectonic plates or pushing the epidemic shades. Kill waste, washing people away. But Jenny knows the reason it's played. It's evil powers. Evil powers. Evil powers. Evil powers. raw. Oh shit, got evil
Thank you so much, guys. Is everybody having a good time today? Sick. Us too. So far gone, you can see it if you squint and when you talk about it half of the day. When it's hurting, close the curtains. You gotta feel it, but you don't gotta say yes. Yeah, you can feel it, but you ain't gotta say that. There's 9 hours of morning in the Milky Way. Barely in the background, I've got TV playing again. Something different steals a picture, and I just pull myself back to it again. She said, when it's hurting, keep me hurting, and I can prove how much I care till it fades. There's 9 hours of morning in the Milky Way. Oh man, everybody in Mexico is so nice. You're the fucking bomb. Alright, we had our first album come out like 3 months ago, so we're gonna play some tracks off that. Woo! Big love. Gracias. You guys ready to get funky in Mexico? Woo! Holy cow, I'm milking it now. Hey,
Baby, I love it. I love it.
hey, what am I gonna do with that? Send it here, send it back. Holy cow, I'm milking it now. Say,
Separate my heart from my bones.
hey,
Let that baby shine through our
the hell you are. Don't even think about it.
Ain't nothing about it.
But after you've been to it, even you must admit, holy cow, you're milking it now. Hey, I'm just trying to pour my heart out every single day. No, I'm not set in my ways so high. You can see every single night, knowing everything I do is alright. It's not the same for you. Thanks so much, guys. Alright, this is a song about where we're from, which coincidentally is a right shithole. So we're very happy to be here. Hey, we're on the screens. This is our first time on big screens. Woo! It's me. Look it. Set is hot head chipping them in. I'm a victim of him. From the back of my head to the front. Y'all call it German Shepherd or you keep lacking. Well, I think he's better than me. Shit, I know it's hard to believe. His mother and his sister go ballistic when we try to tell me. What, Charlie? That one. He ain't a So tight, motherfucker, just freeze. It's like nobody listening, trying to tell me what? No.
That's what you mean.
He ain't a hothead, 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 hothead. Hothead, 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 hothead. He said. Two doors still got a name and flag out the front. I get it. I must be in the chipping now. I must be in chipping now.
Oh, that's what you mean.
He ain't a hothead, 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 underneath. Hothead, 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 hothead. He said. Hothead, hothead, Gracias. Thank you so much. Woo! We're cooking now.
This next song's called Zaki Boy, and it's for Mitsuha. It's for Mitsuha. She's in the audience.
All right. Ready when you are. Zachariah, Zachariah, Messiah, Messiah, you're a bad babysitter, but you're being quiet. Yeah, Zachariah, Zachariah, oh Zachariah. Thank you so much, guys. Bus stop to show me her tattoo she got for a friend who died and told me it's fine. Look, I ain't trying to play it down. Yeah, everybody thinks of dying at time. Me, I just think of that shit too much. Keep it in my guts. Oh god, well, pop one in the esophagus of the rhinoceros, 'cause I'm a man. She can do the math for us. She won't look at no sarcophagus. She ain't got a stack for them. She said, yeah, but I got soaked all the same and said I needed more meat on my bones, showing off her hormones. Said she seemed to be oblivious. I might not be carnivorous, but I'm a man, Callum. So pop one in the esophagus of some rhinoceros, 'cause I'm a fucking man. I just don't look like one though. No, she ain't got respect for them. Undercover. So she ain't got respect for them. Undercover. Oh, Lord. So she ain't got respect for them. Nor do I. Why would I? She said, well.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Woo! We wrote this next song for beautiful days, and I've never seen a more beautiful day. So this is for this. Woo!
Just like you two want sung.
Woo! Yeah. Is anybody in love in Mexico? Woo! Big love. Well, it's the same conversation, different location. I guess I'm into dedication. Yeah, I can care and not be there, promise. Honestly, you got me, fuck you got me. Like the sun's always there. At times you don't feel it, it don't go nowhere. Tell her I'm going home. Took about it on my own. Then tell her I'm going home. So you can tell her I'm past it. Don't cracking horse shit, or sweat on an Inuit. That I came round to it, must be deep in my psyche. Pass the mic when we're all fighty, till we're all righty. Now do it yourself. You don't pause for breath when I am around you. Shit gets us hired, just working it out. To provide about it on my own. Just tell her I'm going home. But you can tell her I'm past it. Don't try to phone. Tell her I'm going home. To provide about it on my own. Yeah. Said tell her I'm going home. But you can tell her I'm past it. Don't try. I said that you can't believe what I say. My mind changes every day, and I feel like you won't, but you don't. No, you don't. Yeah, 'cause you've seen me the other way. I don't wanna pick it apart. I wanna pull us together. Everything changes no matter whatever. If we're getting settled or chasing what's better, you pick it apart, I'll pull us together. Anyhow, we ain't on the same frequency. Maybe we can talk, but still, I'm into dedication. Some line beats. I'm going home. So forgot about it on my own. Yeah, tell her I'm going home. So you can tell her I'm past it. Don't try to phone. Tell her I'm going home. So forgot about it on my own. Tell her I'm going home. And you can tell her I'm past it. Don't try. I said that you can't believe what I say. Tell her I'm going home. If you can tell her I'm past it. Don't try to phone. You can't you believe what I say. My mind changes every day. Woo. All right, gracias. Woo! We have 2 more songs, and we're gonna. One sec, Charles. One sec, Sam. One sec, Sam. All right, we got 2 more songs. We're gonna go through them really quickly because we're running a bit on time. But it was an absolute privilege to play for you guys. Thank you so much for coming, and we love your country so much. We hope you have a great day. We're called Bad Sounds. Big love. Songs for all lovers. You look sexy. Joe stayed in with Dad and watched something about a time some people got themselves caught in the avalanche. Told me that she cried 'cause not many survived, but those that didn't die only came back with half that. Woo! You guys out there? Trying to make, I'm losing the fight to get better. Trying to make, I'm losing the fight to get better. Trying to make, I'm losing the fight. Trying to make, I'm losing the fight to get better. Thanks so much, guys. Wake up, Bad Sounds. This is our last song. Let's go, Wages. Thank you so fucking much. Have a great night. My heart set on a home like Saint Stephen does. What is she saying? Sound like a scam, but I'm gonna get ripped off. I'm going to do it again. Well, she said that the wrong guy's paying my wages while my patience is paper thin. The wrong guy paying my wages while my patience is paper thin. But I ain't soaking. I'm just too so bad at that. I ain't John Travolta. You ain't Sam. But that's a story you know. But honey, I made it out. I'm going through it again. Well, she said that the wrong guy paying my wages still. My patience is paper thin. Wrong guy paying my wages. Take it away, my brother. Cold coffee, I'm undercover. What I got is cold golden coffee, I'm undercover with What I got is cold coffee, I'm undercover 'cause I don't wanna be like them. I got this golden coffee, yeah, I'm undercover 'cause I don't wanna be like them. I got this cold coffee, yeah, I'm undercover 'cause I don't wanna be like them. You're like a golden coffee, yeah, undercover, and she don't wanna be like them. And I don't need that. She said that the wrong guy's paying my wages, but patience is paper thin. And I know that the wrong guy's paying my wages, shit. Patience is paper thin. Gracias. Thank you so much, guys. Gracias.
Love you.
Have a fantastic day. Big love.
Love.